Oh my gosh, Mark! The waves are literally crashing over the windows! How did it get this dark outside so fast?
Whoa! Look at those clouds! It's a sudden squall, guys! Sit on the floor, right now! The boat is way too unstable!
Attention passengers, we are hitting severe gale force winds. All passengers must remain seated. Do not, I repeat, do not attempt to move between decks.
Did you hear that? The captain just asked us not to move! Oh no! We're completely stuck in this corner, Mark!
Oh, Mom, the floor just won't stop falling. My stomach is, I'm going to regurgitate everything.
What does regurgitate mean? A, to swallow food, B, to bring swallowed food up again, or C, to go for a swim. This was supposed to be a peaceful dolphin watch. We just wanted to see the cute animals. Mark, seriously, why is the boat tilting like this?
The storm just moved in way too fast. We have to keep June's head up and keep her steady. Come here, kiddo.
There's no time for a weather lesson right now. June is literally turning blue. Jake, stay down on the floor. Don't move.
Mom, the ceiling is spinning around. I want the sun to come back right now.
Remember, like 10 minutes ago, Mom? The dolphins were jumping and the water was so pretty and blue. Why did it stop?
I know, honey. It was so beautiful. Just close your eyes for a second and think of those dolphins jumping in the bright sun. Just focus on that, okay?
One dolphin looked right at me and splashed, but now the water is mean. I hate the big water.
Gotcha, I've got him. Lisa, the kids are getting hit the hardest by the motion. The seasickness is becoming dangerous. We absolutely need the med kit.
What is seasickness? A, nausea caused by ship motion, B, being afraid of sharks, or C, a type of ocean fish. Oh no, I can't find the ginger chews. Where are they? June, honey, look right at Mom. Take a deep breath in and out.
I can't. Mom, it won't stop. My stomach hurts so much.
Oh, sweetie. Phew, got you. Mark, we need more bags ASAP. Jake is looking a little queasy now too. What does queasy mean? A, feeling sick and like you might vomit, B, very happy, or C, very sleepy.
I'm scared. Make the giant water stop. Dad, help me. Blah.
The smell in here is definitely making the seasickness worse for everyone. We need ventilation stat, or we're all gonna pass out.
What is ventilation? A, a type of medicine, B, the movement of fresh air into a space, or C, a loud alarm.
Crew to stations. Passengers, please stay low and brace for impact. We are attempting to reach the harbor.
Mark, the windows are totally sealed. June's pulse is racing. She's getting dehydrated. We need help now.
Mom, I'm so dizzy. Everything is turning black. Please just make the floor stay flat. Just for 1 second.
I have to get to the crew desk. They must have some kind of clinical-grade remedy for this level of sickness.
What is a remedy? A way to cure an illness, B, a map, or C, a large ship. Oh no! Don't leave us, Mark! If the boat tips any more, you'll be trapped out there. It's way too dangerous.
Lisa, stay right here. I have to keep my chin up for the kids and get that medicine. I swear, I'll be right back.
Psst. Dad said he has to keep his chin up. That idiom means to stay positive when things are bad.
Mark, the alarms are going off. Is the ship taking on water? The doors are leaking.
Mom, I can't breathe. The room is spinning way too fast.
Ah, I've got you. Jake, grab her hand. Don't let her slide. Mark, where are you?
The lights are flickering, Mom. We're going to sink in the dark. I'm so scared.
Stay with me, June. Come on, open your eyes. Look at Mom. Mark, if you can hear me, hurry up. She's fading.
Mom, it's so cold. Please help me.
I'm right here. I won't let go, ever. Can someone please help us? My daughter needs a medic.
The water is hitting the window. It's gonna break. Look at the glass, Mom.
It won't break, Jake. It's super strong. Just keep holding June. Mark, please.
Emergency power activated. We are maintaining course. Brace, brace, brace.
I've got the patches and an anti-nausea medicine for June. The medic is right behind me.
Oh, thank goodness. Get it in her. She's so weak, Mark. Look at her eyes. She's fading. Hurry, please.
Hold her arm steady. June, honey, this is going to stop the spinning. I promise you.
Ouch. Dad, I'm so tired. Can I just sleep now?
No, stay awake, June. We're almost to the harbor. What color do you think the dock is going to be?
What is a harbor? A place where ships find shelter. B, a deep part of the ocean. Or C, a steering wheel.
Anything that doesn't move. I just want the gray ground.
Phew, the retching has finally stopped. Thank God. Jake, how are you doing, buddy? Look at Mom.
The giant isn't jumping as high now. The water is getting quieter. Look, I can actually see the buildings.
Wow, we're finally inside the breakwater. The storm can't reach us in here. We finally cleared the hurdle and we're safe, guys.
Did you hear? Dad says we cleared the hurdle. This idiom means we finished a really difficult or dangerous task, and the path is totally clear now.
I honestly thought we were gonna lose, you guys. It went from a perfect family day to a complete nightmare in seconds.
I know, but the ground is going to be perfectly still very soon. I promise.
Ugh, you're totally soaked, June. We need to get you into dry clothes the absolute second we land. You're shivering, baby.
I just want to lay down on a bed. Something that doesn't tilt.
Oh, absolutely. We'll get you right back to the hotel immediately. Definitely no more big water today.
My tummy is still a little bit wobbly, Mom. Kinda like Jell-O.
Tiny sips of water, kids. Don't gulp it down, or that Jell-O is coming right back up.
I'm so sorry, guys. We really just wanted you to see the dolphins.
It's okay, Mom. You stayed with us the whole time. And Dad was a superhero.
All right, the engines are slowing down. We're finally docking. Everybody stay seated until we completely stop moving.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are now entering the harbor and beginning our final docking approach. We deeply apologize for the severe weather and distress. Your safety is our absolute priority. Please remain seated until the vessel has come to a complete stop.
The ropes are holding us to the land. I love those ropes so much.
The land has us now, honey. See the people out there? They aren't falling down.
All right, the ramp is down. Let's go. Take it nice and slow, June.
Oh, solid ground. I have literally never loved concrete so much in my entire life.
It's warm and it's flat. I love the dirt.
I am never, ever going dolphin watching again. Never, ever.
Fair enough. Let's find the taxi. Fresh air for everyone.
And a lot of rest. We all need to recover from the shock of that.
All right, class. Let's see how you did. It's time for our vocabulary recap. Regurgitate. B. To bring swallowed food up again. Seasickness. A. Nausea caused by the motion of a ship. Queasy. A. Feeling sick and like you might vomit. Ventilation. B. The movement of fresh air into a space. Remedy. A. A way to cure an illness. Harbor. A. A place where ships find shelter next to land.
And our idioms. Keep your chin up, staying positive during a disaster. And cleared the hurdle, meaning we finished the hardest part and are safe.
Practice your English in the comments. Finish this sentence. The scariest travel moment I ever had was when. Stay safe out there, everyone. Goodbye.